If you do A-level PE and you're struggling with impulse graphs, listen up to this. So an impulse graph has force on the y-axis, measured in newtons, and then time on the x-axis, measured in seconds. And impulse is force times time. So impulse equals force times time. And because force is measured in newtons and time is measured in seconds, that gives impulse the unit of measurement of newton seconds. And impulse is basically the amount of force you can apply to something over a given amount of time. And this impulse graph here demonstrates, so the first one demonstrates acceleration, the middle one demonstrates constant velocity, and this bottom one demonstrates deceleration. And the reason for that is because in this first graph here, the positive impulse is greater than the negative impulse. In the middle graph, the positive and the negative impulse are equal, so that's constant velocity. And then in this final graph, the negative impulse is greater than the positive impulse, so that shows deceleration. And when drawing out impulse graphs, you'd always have to label both of the axes with the relevant units of measurement. You'd always have to draw the negative impulse coming first before the positive impulse. And the reason for that is, let's say this is the ground and someone is accelerating forwards, going that way. Their foot would always have to hit the ground first, where it would slow down before it then springs off the ground. So even if you're accelerating, the foot always slows down first when it hits the ground and then it springs off. So that's why you always draw the negative impulse before the positive impulse.